Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. Here we will see what was the weather forecast for the upcoming next 5 days. So we will see that mainly over the northeast states there will be heavy rainfall activity will continue during next 4 to 5 days. However, there are various states mainly over the East India and parts of the peninsular and central India where the very high temperatures will be seen in the upcoming 5 days. And if we look for the yesterday's maximum temperatures, then most parts of the central India, West India, peninsular India and over the East India, the maximum temperatures were in the range of 36 to 39 degrees centigrade, and over the plains of Northwest India, the maximum temperatures were in the range of 34 to 36 degrees centigrade. However, over the some parts of the Vidarbha and at one or two districts of the interior, Madhya Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha and some districts of the Chhattisgarh also reported temperature in the range of 40 to 42 degrees centigrade yesterday. In the if we look for the East India, then there will not be any significant change in the maximum temperatures, even though the maximum temperatures will rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over some parts of the East India in the upcoming 3 days, and from 7th of April onwards the temperatures will fall by 2 to 3 to 4 degrees centigrade, and similarly over the Maharashtra there will not be any significant change in the maximum temperature in the next 2 days. However, from the 7th of April the maximum temperatures will fall by 3 to 4 degrees centigrade mainly over the interior parts of the Maharashtra. Over the rest parts of the country there will not be any significant change. It means the maximum temperatures continue to be in the same range in the upcoming 5 days. The maximum temperature's departure is above normal by 3 to 4 degrees centigrade at one or two places over the Bihar, East Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and interior parts of the Maharashtra and Telangana. And the remaining parts of the country, the maximum temperatures are near normal. And if you look for the heat wave warning, so mainly the heat wave conditions will be experienced over the East India and adjoining parts of the peninsular India in the upcoming 3 days. So mainly on today, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh, these areas will likely to experience heat wave conditions at one or two places in the upcoming 3 days. And similarly over the north interior Karnataka and Rayalaseema and Telangana also likely to experience heat wave conditions in the upcoming 3 days. And over the Vidarbha, heat wave conditions is likely one or two places on 5th of April and 6th of April. From the 7th of April, as we have seen that the maximum temperatures will fall over the East India and the adjoining parts. So we will get the relief from the heat wave conditions mainly over the all those regions from the 7th of April. And similarly, if you look for the warm night conditions, then mainly the Chhattisgarh and the Odisha very likely to experience warm night conditions over the some district on today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. It means during next 3 days. And over the Vidarbha and north interior Karnataka, the warm night conditions will be seen in the next 2 days, that is the tomorrow night and day after tomorrow night. And from the 7th of April onwards, there will be relief from the warm night also from all those regions. And if you look for the rainfall forecast, then if you look for the synoptic conditions, then today a western disturbance can be seen mainly over the Pakistan adjoining Afghanistan area. In the lower tropospheric levels, a circulation lies over the northeast Rajasthan, and over the northeast India a cyclonic circulation can be seen over the East Assam, and another circulation can be seen over the northern parts of the Bangladesh. Over the south peninsular India, a trough runs from the interior Tamil Nadu up to the southeast Madhya Pradesh, across Karnataka and across the interior parts of the Maharashtra. Because of these synoptic features, mainly the heavy rainfall activity will be confined over the northeast India. So mainly the Arunachal Pradesh very likely to experience heavy rainfall activity at one or two places and heavy snowfall activity mainly over the higher reaches during next 5 days. And even on the 6th of April, isolated very heavy rainfall activity is also likely over the Arunachal Pradesh. It means one or two stations likely to experience rainfall activity in the range of 12 to 20 centimeter on 6th of April over the Arunachal Pradesh. And Assam and Meghalaya very likely to experience heavy rainfall activity on 5th of April. However, the other days only light to moderate rainfall activity will be seen over the Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. And if we look for the Mainly the northeast India very likely to experience light rainfall activity over many parts during next 5 days, and over the northwest India, mainly over the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, light rainfall and snowfall activity will be seen during next 3 days. And from 7th of April onwards, there will be mainly dry weather over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, and over the plains of northwest India, mainly Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and even Rajasthan also, and Gujarat state also likely to be dry during next 5 days. It means there will not be any rainfall activity over all those regions. However, over the south Rajasthan, light rainfall activity will be seen at one or two places on today. And as we can see that mainly the rainfall activity along with the thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind very likely to start over the East India, adjoining parts of the central India and the peninsular India from 6th of April onwards, which can be seen in this map. And on 7th of April, mainly the thunderstorm activity, rainfall activity and lightning activity very likely to increase over the Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. However, light thunderstorm activity and light rain will continue over the Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and coastal Andhra Pradesh on 7th of April. Similarly, on 8th of April also the thunderstorm activity, lightning activity, light to moderate spell of rain and even the gusty wind speed reaching up to 40 to 50 kmph very likely to continue over the at one or two places over the Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Vidarbha and East Madhya Pradesh on 8 April, and over the adjoining areas which can be seen in the green color, light rainfall activity, light thunderstorms and lightning activity will be seen. And for more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel and our Twitter page. Thank you.